Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of mine. And as you see from the thumbnail, I'm gonna do a top knot bun with two curly bangs. Guys, this is another quick hairstyle. It took me like 35 minutes to complete, but after I added the rhinestones, I had to wait for a couple minutes for the glue to dry so it won't show. Because when I applied it, it has a white color, and you will see that in a little further down in the video, but when it dries it is clear, so you won't see it. This time I'm changing up a little by using ombre purple braid to make the knot bun, and this is just one pack of braid, and it's a Jamara ombre braid, and it's also pre-stretched. I didn't stretch it because this time I just feel like doing a different color to highlight the bun some more, so I selected this color and I asked her if she would wear the purple, and she said yes, no problem. So I went ahead and used it, but now I can see it is totally beautiful. I didn't expect it to look this lovely, but trust me, it is really nice. Everyone likes a different color, guys, so what color would you wear? You can just leave that comment down below and let us see which color would be worn most. I'm almost through with the bun, guys, and it's buzzing already. Yeah, girl. One problem I had with this video was that persons were passing to and fro where the camera was, and each time they passed by the lighting was changing. I'm not sure if you recognize that, but I'm hoping that it's not a problem to you, please. But guys, guess what? Please ensure that your post notification bell is on. If it's not on, guys, you will not know when I upload a new video. If it's on personalized, you will only get the notification of some videos that I upload. So please remember, when you are subscribing, turn on your post notification bell and leave your comment, guys, and you can also share the video. So for the bangs, guys, as you see, I added 3 pieces of extension to give it some volume, so that when it is curled it will have that bounce. So this bang on the left side, it was so stubborn. I curled it about 4 times to get it to look like the other bang, and trust me, one of the time I was gonna just cut it off and leave it just like that, but I said no, I cannot ruin her hairstyle, so I curled and curled until I got it to look like the other bang. So guys, I'm at the last part where I'm adding the rhinestones to her bun, and I'm using the white hair bonding glue. It is just like the one in the gray bottle, but this one is white, and when it is dry it is also invisible. And the reason why I'm using this to apply the rhinestones is because it's on the braiding hair and not her natural hair. So guys, we're at the end of the video, and I hope you like the finished look, and please remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. See you in the next video.